You okay there, buddy? That was good, Mink.
I'm gonna check on it.
Right, and jump toward the pillows, love. Oh, Mink. Hello.
Mama.
Hi. Right. Can you stop. Look at the camera and say hi. Say hi. Say hi to Mommy.
Mommy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Miko,
Sorry.
we have neighbors. Okay, go ahead, Ray. Keep going, guys.
Sorry.
I know, it's okay. I'm just letting you know. That's where Robin's head is when she's sleeping, is right there too. So you need to be careful. I mean, she's not in bed right now, but we just need to be respectful anyway. Go ahead, show me what you guys can do. Whoa, Ray.
Oh, you go first.
Thanks, Pink.
Or 9.
Oh, thank you, the booger wipe. That's fabulous, Ray. Oh, that's beautiful. Wipe them all over my clean bed. Oh my God. They're not related to me at all. Oh. Are you wacko? Whoa. Hey, don't get too dopey. I know, but you're gonna fall. That's how you hurt yourself. You get too silly. Hey, little man. Hi. Hey, don't be. See? There's that karma again. You better watch yourself.
Are you okay?
Don't be rude to the mama.
Are you okay?